Okay. Yes, so butterfly spread, we were doing the premium section. I just said that your premium paid is C1 plus C3, and received is 2C2 from here. So the total cost to strategy is C1 plus C3 minus 2C2. So whatever your payoffs are, we'll subtract C1 plus C3 minus 2C2 from it. That will be the final profit or loss value that you will get. One thing that I wanted to tell you is, so this is the payoff table for the butterfly spread. In the last case that we computed, when ST, the price at the time of maturity, is more than K3, the payoff is 2K2 minus K1 minus K3. If you remember, K2 was approximately equal to K1 plus K3 upon 2. Right, that is what we take. We take a mid value and we sell the calls at mid value. So if I expand it, eventually we for the fourth case, the payoff boils down to 0. So now if you have a look at the diagram, the butterfly spread, where is that? Yeah, if you look at the butterfly spread, you'll see that before K1 and after K3, that is before K1 and after K3, your net payoff is equal, which is equal to C1 plus C3 minus 2C2. Because C1 is the highest among all, we are eventually will eventually be bearing a loss, but that loss will be very less and equal to this C1 plus C3 minus 2C2. It could be very less. So while between K1 and K3, depending upon the value of ST, we might land up on the gainful position, or we might be incurring loss. And the nearer your price at the time of maturity is to K2, the better it is, because that is where you are earning. Okay, so that is about butterfly spread. The next strategy that I want to discuss here is your combinations. So अभी तक we were doing spreads में और भी strategies हैं, but these three, you need to do just these three: bull, bear and butterfly. That's it. Coming to combinations, in combinations we are not only taking positions in call option, but we can also simultaneously take position in put option. So in spreads we were only taking positions either in call or in puts. We were buying call and selling call, buying put or selling put on different strike prices. Now we'll be in combinations, we'll be making combinations of call and put. So the two that we have to do from here is straddle and strangle, and that's it. If you know straddle, you can easily figure out what strangle is. So straddle strategy says that you need to long a call and you need to long a put as well at the same strike price for the same underlying asset for the same time to maturity. So everything else is same. C and P would differ depending upon how far is K from your S0. If it is near to S0, I mean if your K is more than S0, then the put option is more desirable. If the case is that K is less than S0, then call option is more desirable. In that case, C would be more. And if K is equal to S0 at the time of exercising of option, at the time of and not at the time of exercising option, at the time of buying the options, if K is equal to S0, then we'll look at other factors that might be affecting the C or P, and it might be possible that C and P are equal. Although if you remember in put call parity we did that C plus K minus RT equaling to P plus S0. So your C and P ka relationship actually depends on K and S not only. So eventually it is about how far or near is my K to S naught. So let's diagrammatically represent the strategy. So this is my K. On the same K, I am buying a put and I am buying a call. So when I buy a call, I would exercise it only after this. If I exercise it after this, that means I am incurring a loss of value C. So this is my payoff diagram for long call. And for long put, if I am assuming that call premium is more than put premium, this is the diagram for long put. The final diagram appears like, so the final payoff from this strategy appears like this profit is reduced by this value and this profit is reduced by this value. That's how my straddle strategy route looks like. So if there are huge swings, then you end up in the profitable position. But if the price hovers around K only, then you are ending up in a loss position. So your anticipation is that you are not sure of the direction, but you know that the market is very unstable and there will be huge swing in the prices of underlying asset, and hence you will end up in a gainful position. That is the straddle strategy. Do we need to do the payoff diagram also? Let me see. So we have an ST which is greater than K and ST which is lesser than K. We have a long call and we have a short call. Long call at K, ST greater than K is non-exercisable, 0. ST less than K, short call is non-exercisable. Here this is ST minus K and this is K minus ST. Long call, I've bought the call. ST is less than K. ST less than K. I made a mistake. Long call and short call. ST greater than K, ST less than K. Let me just do it again. I might have done it wrong, or let's figure out. So if ST is greater than K, that means price at the time of maturity is more than K. I will exercise after. This is long call, right? I will not exercise.